Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the sixth question in exercise 4.1. There are two real values of x for which the value of the determinant is 86. Find the values of x. So let's evaluate the determinant first. So it is 1 minus 2, 5, 2x minus 1, 0, 4, 2x. I'm going to evaluate along the row. So in this case, 1 into, let's cross multiply. So this is x into 2x, 2x squared, minus 4 into minus 1. So this is minus 4. Now minus of the second term, which is again a minus 2. So I'm changing this is into plus 2. Now to this determinant, this is 2 into 2x is 4x. 0 into minus 1. So it is simply 0. Plus 5 into, now for this is 4 into 2 is 8, minus 0 into x. So I'm simply marking this as 0. So now let's do this. 1 into makes any sense. So I'm just evaluating and writing this. So this is 2x squared plus 4 plus this is 0. So I'm going to skip that part. 4x into 2 is 8x. Now here this comes as plus 40. Remember this determinant is equivalent to 86. So let's write the other side here. So 2x squared plus 8x plus 44 is equal to 86, or 2x squared plus 8x is equal to, I'm taking this 44 the other side, so 86 minus 44 is equal to 42. So this all terms here are multiples of 2, so I'm dividing every term by 2. So this is x squared plus 4x is equal to 21. If I had to write as quadratic equation, so x squared plus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Now the product has to be minus 21, the sum has to be plus 4. So x squared plus 7x minus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0, or x into x plus 7 minus 3 into x plus 7 is equal to 0. So this means x minus 3 into x plus 7 is equal to 0. So this gives us two values of x, that is 3 and minus 7. So these are the values of x for which the value of this determinant is 86. In the next video, we will find the solution for the seventh question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.